सब्सक्राइब करें बेसिक एजुकेशन को और बेल आइकॉन दबाएं मज़ीद अच्छी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Assalamualaikum students. Today we know about water. Water is very important for life. We cannot live without it. Water helps our body to work properly. About 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Most of this water is stored in the oceans and seas. As you know, this water is salty and not fit for drinking. Only 3% of the water on earth is fresh water. You can see that there is very little fresh water compared to salt water. Let us see how the earth obtains water. During the day, the sun heats the water from oceans, lakes, and rivers to form water vapor. This is called evaporation. The air containing water vapor rises to form clouds. As the clouds containing water vapor rise higher, they cool down and water drops form. This is known as condensation. Water cycle. The clouds become heavy and the drops fall to earth as rain. It collects in oceans, lakes, and rivers. The water that rose as water vapor thus returns to earth in the form of rain. The water evaporation again and this process, called the water cycle, continues. The process happens over and over again, thus providing us with much needed water.